Okay, so included in the statistics will be the kilometers and the amount of steps, but this will be the total amount of kilometers and steps in every video, and you can see how it accumulates.
You're doing a good work. We're all doing a good work.
Thank you.
Yeah.
All right, well, bon camino. Okay, from here on, it is an absolute nightmare. My goodness, it's not like I'm looking down. It's literally how steep it is. So I'm just, positioned in a normal way, and I have to absolutely look up for you to see the top of it. So for 3 kilometers, this is what I'm in for. But well, that's what I thought until I realized that it was still going uphill quite a bit, even after Orisson. And I wasn't the only one who thought that it was scary. And on this road, I looked up and I actually saw people walking on the top. And that was the worst possible moment. I just didn't want to see that. I'm so tired right now. My legs are shaking. Everything hurts. This backpack is taking its toll on my shoulders. This is a very, very difficult walk up this hill. And then, of course, to make it even worse, you get the trail runners, where people actually come and they jog up this hill just for the fun of it. Oh my goodness, those trail runners. And if you're wondering why I'm looking backwards all the time, it's because when I want to catch my breath, if you turn around, then your feet are angled in a different direction. So it takes the pressure off the calves, because walking uphill this much, your calves hurt the most. Now, working on the ships, it was very difficult to keep the training up. And after a very, very long day in the office, I used to go and do 1.5 or 2 hour deck walk on deck 3. Is the promenade deck on the ship. So you just circle it over and over like being in a hamster wheel. But I would always listen to Linkin Park Paper Cuts. So when I listen to it while I'm walking, it reminds me of my training that I did on board. And it helps me to keep going, remembering why I'm doing this. And yeah. It is nice, though, that you have a little bit of gravel and a little bit of tar road. It breaks it up, the monotony of it all. So it is enjoyable. I can't complain about that. And the views are breathtaking. It makes it worth your while. Oh, dear Lord. Exactly. I shouldn't have looked up. Lesson learned. I'm not doing that again. Yeah, exactly.
See you later.
Bon camino.
Bon camino.
Hello.
Is that yoga mat on your back?
Say again?
Is that yoga mat on your back?
Yes.
For stretching?
Yes, and when I get tired, I lie on it. Yeah, to just lie and rest.
Nice.
Yeah.
On the way?
Yeah. I mean, it's not heavy. It weighs nothing. And it's a nice cushion. Like if you put it down on the grass like that, it's very comfortable.
Nice.
Yeah. Well, bon camino.
Bon camino.
Thank you. Very nice people on the trail. You meet people from all over. Very enjoyable. Everybody's friendly. Everybody's happy to be there. So it's a really cool vibe. Whoa, it's a walk and a half. I wish I didn't have a backpack.
Sorry?
I wish I didn't have a backpack.
Ja, ik ben maar wat niet easy.
Yeah. Where you from?
Finland.
Oh, nice. I'm from South Africa.
Ah, never been there. But it's a nice place.
Oh, yeah. I don't live there anymore, but it's one of the most beautiful countries in the world for sure. Yeah, yeah. All right.
A little bit further, you know.
Yep, step by step. And at this point, I'm still believing that, you know, I only have to get to Orisson, and when I get there, it will level out and it will go downhill. If only I knew. The weather is good today. It's not too hot. I mean, and obviously, you know, you're sweating profusely because you're doing excessive exercising, and you know, but there's like a cool breeze, and so I like to keep, you know, my warm things on because you don't want your muscles, you know, to pull or something because of, you know, cold wind blowing on them. So I'm always cautious of that. So rather sweat it out, and I can just wash it afterwards. I'm not sure how the time-lapse idea is going to work. I haven't looked at those videos yet, but hopefully it will make this job a little bit more less tedious, not more, and still get the views in. So I'm going to sit and work through all of those videos and then see what's going to work best. Oh yeah, it's up here where I saw all these beautiful mushrooms growing out of the manure. Now I got some good pictures of that. At this point, I'm really hungry, so I don't know it yet, but there's like a stopping point coming up where a lady is sitting down and she gets up, and then it's my turn to sit down and I can finally have my breakfast. Okay, I decided to take a breakfast break now. I've been walking for 2.5 hours uphill all the way. Got my bananas, got my water bottle. This is something new that I discovered when I was buying my gear for the Camino. And I'm not sure how far it is to walk until the top of the mountain still, but I'm sure we'll find out. But the view is incredible. So yeah, breakfast time, and then we continue.
I am just doing WhatsApp group and
Oh, okay.
and polar stats.
So you can
because-
say hi to my followers. This is Harold
Hello, hello
And-
from Mexico.
from Mexico, and
Yes.
he's the only
I'm
Mexican
the only Mexican
on the Camino, and
right
I'm
now.
the only South African, and he's walking for his 60th, and I'm walking for my 50th.
Well, happy birthday, happy 50th.
Happy
and
birthday to you too.
Buen Camino.
Bon Camino.
And what is your YouTube channel?
Life at 45.
Life at 45.
I started it 5 years ago.
Okay, then I may have to change it. Life at 50.
No, it's staying 45. Like every year I just put on the blog and I just say life at 45 is, and then I give my age.
Yeah. And
Yeah.
then I'm 45 again.
All right, well,
Monique,
I'll
buen
see you.
camino.
Buen Camino.
Oh, my glasses.
Oh, I lost my reading. I only got these ones left. Like, it's okay. I'll find my way.
You'll find your way. Okay. Just think of the steps.
Yep,
Only for today.
only for today. Flying away at super speed. Well, that's what it looks like. Now, who can believe that in the end of this day, I would end up in the old monastery that's now converted into a hostel, that they would have a bed for me for the night because I was too late for my accommodation. I arrived after check-in closed and I didn't know what I was going to do. Luckily, they did have a bed, and when I got to where the bed is, Harold had the bed underneath and mine was on top. But he said when he saw me, I must have looked like a train wreck. He felt sorry for me, so he gave me the bottom bed, and he moved all his stuff to the bunk above me. Isn't that so sweet? Thank you, Harold. You're such a darling. And then that evening we had dinner together at the pilgrims table, and it was excellent. Now soon it's going to start leveling out just on the way to the hostel in Orisson. They are always fully booked, so if you want to stay there and you know break this first day up in to make sure that you book ahead. There's only that one hostel, so there are no other options. If it's fully booked, it's fully booked. And that's my advice to you, and definitely make sure that you stock up on water supplies, and also grab something to eat or buy something to take with you from the snack and drink menu, because it's a very long way to get to Roncesvalles. And also there's a food truck that's only open from 11 till 1 p.m. but also on that day nobody even saw the truck there, and there's no water supply whatsoever. I ran out of water 5 kilometers before arrival, and that's not ideal. So now it's literally tick-tock until my first break, and also I think my break was too long. I took a 2-hour break. I maybe should have shortened it to just 1 hour, but I was just absolutely exhausted. Ah?
I don't speak English.
Oh, español?
Español.
Ah,
Hablo español.
non.
When you find a peregrine,
Ah?
you say buen camino.
Yes, buen camino. Bye-bye.
You walk. Quickly.
Okay, so I've arrived in Orisson. I've got myself a nice cappuccino, and we'll do the first video up to here and then continue up the hill. There it goes.
I'm working off the man.
All right, day one.